Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 products you can create in Canva as a beginner. Products that are simple, useful, and have a higher chance of selling. If you are new to Canva and confused about what to make, this video will help you save time and focus on the right things. So let's get started. Product first. Thank you cards. The first product beginners should create is thank you cards. Small businesses and online sellers use thank you cards every day. Simple and clean designs usually perform better than over-designed ones. Product second, instruction or care cards. The second product is instruction cards or care cards. These are used to explain how to use or take care of a product. They are text based, easy to design, and always in demand. Product 3, simple planners. The third product is simple planners. As a beginner, you can start with one-page planners or trackers and avoid creating large planners at the beginning because simple layouts work better. Product 4, social media templates, which many small businesses need ready-made templates for Instagram and other platforms. Clean and professional designs are more useful than decorative ones, so you can make it easily in Canva. Business cards and inserts will be the fifth product, which are easy to create, editable, and useful for many type of businesses. So make sure when you are making business cards, always make editable so that customer can edit according to their email address and all the detail. What to avoid? So as a beginner, avoid complex planners, crowded designs, and too many colors or fonts. Focus on clarity, simplicity, and usefulness. I hope this video helped you understand what products you should focus as a beginner in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.